Well, basically we've got 3 different levels for each atua. The first level is a basic generic level. It just allows you to be able to move your body freely without putting any barriers in front of you, without saying it's too hard or the technique is too tough. So we break it down into 3 different concepts. The first one being a static movement. So if the movement's powerful, explosive, we bring it back down to its static movement. Then once you master that, we go through to the dynamic movement, and then we get you on to the progressive movement, which ultimately adds to the other 2 levels. And once you put those in flow, you've got a sequence. And once you flow into the sequence, you can put it to the music, and then you can start feeling the spirit of the atua that we've chosen the exercise with. Yeah, the combination at the end of it is to be able to build your vocabulary in Māori movement. So the breakdown of the movement is really filling your basket of knowledge, or the physicality of the movement, so that you can do the combination at the end. So that's where the gold is, really. That's where you want to be able to get to that stage where you can learn and articulate yourself through all of the Māori movement, move through to the combination, and that's when you'll start to really, really enjoy it. We want to be able to push people to say, you know, it's not just about doing the movement. You want to be physically fit, you want to be healthy, you want to be sharp, you want to be able to enjoy the process of the Māori movement. And as you see, you have the All Blacks doing the haka. Whenever they perform the haka, they know the sequence of the movement, they know how to put the energy into it, so then they get the best out of it. And people recognise that all around the world, and we want to do the same thing with Māori movement.